Oh yeah, sparkler bomb lesson 101.
3 boxes, bamboo sparklers.
Yep. How to blow up a fucking a microwave. All right.
Dad, we might not want to show Mom this because she might freak out.
Yeah, and I didn't say that word either, buddy. Sparkler bomb in a microwave.
We're going face up.
Sure, why not? Or, no, face down. We'd probably get more action out of it then.
I'm going to light it and roll the whole thing over.
At 10-4. If you don't want to, you don't have to.
I keep that.
Oh, the plate? Oh, this is so awesome.
Hopefully there's enough oxygen inside the microwave to let the fuse burn all the way.
Should. Crap.
Now I'm not going anywhere near that damn thing.
Me either. Holy shit!
Of course, dude, that's awesome!